Welcome back. Today is a day that I have been excited about for a couple of weeks now. Today is the day for the SuperClean giveaway. My name is Mike, and this is My Car's Shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is My Car's Shop.
So for those of you who've been around the channel for a while, you know that we've been featuring SuperClean products on the channel, that SuperClean had reached out to us probably a couple of months ago now and asked us if we would be interested, and they have provided us with product to use here in the shop, and we've been putting it to the test. You've also heard me mention that they wanted to know if we would be willing to do a giveaway for their product, and so I have the two products here that are going to be involved in the giveaway, which is a bottle of their degreaser in the spray bottle, pump bottle, and also the foamy degreaser cleaner, which is in the can. So today's the day that's going to happen, as I said, and we are going to start the drawing for, or start the process for the drawing for the product. So first of all, let me clarify that per SuperClean's directive, you have to have a U.S. mailing address to be eligible for the drawing. So that's one stipulation brought down by SuperClean. But they're excited to work with us to provide this product to you. And so the two guidelines that we have established for the drawing are, you've got to comment on this video right here, not on any other one, but on this one, for your name to be entered into the drawing. And the second thing is, in that comment, we would like you to put two things. Number one, how would you intend to put these products to the test and use them for yourself? We want to know that. And we also want to know what your favorite episode is here on My Car's Shop. So we've got 138 episodes now on the channel in a little over a year. We're still cranking out 3 episodes a week, plus special things like this. And we want to know what the absolute favorite episode of all time that you have discovered on this channel is. So drop those two things down there and watch back on your comment, because if your name is the one that is selected, I will put a comment and reach out to you to find out your information so that we can send it off to SuperClean and they can get you this product in the mail. So we will do the drawing on the channel, and I will give you the contact information to reach out here to the channel as well. So if you win that drawing, let's do our drawing on not this Friday, but next Friday, and I'll find that date for you. So it'll be a week from this coming Friday. On that episode, we will do the drawing as part of that episode, and we will find out who our lucky winner is. So the date of that drawing will be April 23rd, which is a Friday. Friday, April 23rd, 2021, we will be announcing the winner of the SuperClean drawing. So something that we can do to give back to you guys, something that we can do to help a sponsor that has been helping the channel out by providing product here. And it's just a win-win for everybody. So we want to hear from you. Drop those comments down there again, how you would like to use this product, how you would like to put it to the test, and what your favorite episode is here on the channel. So I'm excited about this. Let's see how many comments we can get. We'll make this an awesome drawing, and we'll have one lucky winner here for these products. Just a couple things coming up I want to give you since I have the opportunity for the commercial. We're going to be back on this frame rail tomorrow, hopefully for this coming Friday's episode, which is in a couple of days. And we're going to try to get the rest of the fabrication done for this. And hopefully, Lord willing and the creek don't rise, on the day we do the drawing, we might be starting to test fit this frame rail in the car. So that's exciting. I'm looking forward to doing that. I've been chuckling at some of the negativity I get on some of the Facebook groups that I'm involved in, complaining about how many episodes does it take to build a frame rail. And it takes as many as it takes, because you guys are the ones who said you wanted all of the nitty-gritty details. You don't want to see a piece of sheet metal and a finished product. You want to see every step in the process. So I'm glad you guys get that. I give you what you want. So drop comments down there again. on the other videos about what you like and what you want to see, and you know that I'll always answer those and respond to those. So thanks for being here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Hit the subscribe bell for notifications. Also, go and check out SuperClean. Here's their Facebook page, or it's superclean.com. You can go over there and check them out. They've been a huge encouragement to the channel here and a huge support, and we appreciate them. And you know, they have our loyalty here, and I'd like to see that loyalty spread to you guys too. So we're on Facebook and Instagram /MyCarShop. And one more thing, you can't forget it, because I never do, right? Rock on.